Welcome to Interior Design's YouTube channel. Contemporary bathroom cabinet inspiration offers a fresh and stylish approach to a modern interior design. These cabinets seamlessly blend form and function, contributing to a clean and uncultured bathroom space with sleek lines, minimalist hardware, and a variety of materials like wood, metal, or glass. Contemporary bathroom cabinets provide a sense of sophistication. The color palette often revolves around neutral tones, which create a calming and spa-like ambiance. Many contemporary designs incorporate open shelving and integrated storage solutions, maximizing the use of space while maintaining a streamlined look. Moored cabinets fronts and popular also, reflecting light and making the bathroom feel more spacious. Contemporary bathroom cabinets are versatile and complement a range of interior styles from minimalist to industrial or even Scandinavian. Whether you prefer wall mounted or freestanding cabinets, there are endless options to suit your aesthetic and organizational needs. This inspiration encourages a sleek and contemporary feel in your bathroom, enhancing both functionality and visual appeal. Contemporary bathroom cabinet inspiration also emphasizes eco-friendly and sustainable materials, aligning with the growing trend of environmental consciousness in design. The combination of natural materials like bamboo or recycled wood with high quality finishes create an eco-chic look, matching different materials, textures, and shapes. This allows homeowners to personalize their space and create a bathroom that reflects their unique style and preferences. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.